Pag di kami na, ate, pag di kami nakikinig sa 1, 2, 3, ice, magsasabi kami.
Ay, nako. Makinig na sa ate, oh. Nagtuturo na si ate, oh.
Bed, help, out, was, go. Story, Jen is a big and fat boy. Tim saw Jem and a pet. Jem was in a bed. Then Teddy's bed to help. Jen got out of the bed.
Suwi, ba't di ka nakikinig kay ate? Basa. Ah.
A sad lad, a bat and a cat, a fan and the van, cup and the pan, a lad with a cap, lad in the van, a rat and the mat, a jar and the jar, a
Suwi.
hat,
Shin, lakasan nyo. Gaya kayo hindi naturuan na niya ni ate.
peg, a pen, a blue pen. This is a blue pen.
Dali,
Dog,
kada.
a dog.
Tingnan mo, alin ito naturo ni ate.
This is a big dog. Pig, a pig, a pink pig. This is a pink pig. Rat, a rat, a fat rat. This is a fat rat. A red pen, pen, hair leg, jen and len. Sell the hen, get the hen. A witness, set the jet, get the pet. A wheat bag, a pet cat, get the rat.
Suwi,
Set
basa.
the net, fat, a fat man. This is a fat man. Mat, a red mat. This is a red mat. Bat, hat, cat, fat, rat, mat, sad, vat, bar, car, far, mar, tar, sar, jar, wag, bag, rag, tag, lag, nag, sag, tag, sam, bang, dan, ham, jan, fan, pan, ran, yam. A tan fan, and a cup, and the pan, under the van, dance and nan, a fat man, sat in the van with the man, a red pen on the bed, fed the pet, fed the man, is in bed under the bed, then, feg, hair, get, jen, keg, leg, meat, pen, red, cell, ten, leg, men, big, wait, then, hill, hem. Ding, jeng, leng, neng, seng, teng, weng, dek.
Galingan nyo, mga estudyante. Mga student ni Teacher Mise. Galingan nyo naman.
Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, sat.
Suwi, mais ka nga. Di naman. Tagalog pa daw na.
Tagalog yan eh. English lang.
Inaantok na si Zoe, oh.
Dapat.
Sir Macy, lingon-lingon naman dyan.
Ito pa, yan pa.